You will experience the same authentic Hawaiian guest experience that we had before throughout the check-in process at Hawaiian Airlines. It just may look a little different. Our agents are taking as much of a proactive approach as we can. We are very respectful of the concerns of our passengers. Ticket counters are cleaned every hour, so are the kiosks with certified cleaning solutions. We have turned off every other kiosk to allow the passengers to feel safe as they check in. The Department of Transportation are doing temperature checks for passengers prior to the checking in with the TSA. We will be boarding beginning from the back and to the front. It allows enough time to board without bumping into people as they're trying to board. We removed various things from our aircraft. Hanaho is one of them, but we do provide it at the gate to be available to read. We have taken as many precautions as possible. We are using all the properly approved chemicals to be cleaning our facilities as well as the kiosk and the aircraft. I wouldn't let my child fly if I didn't feel it was safe enough, and I definitely would based on all the procedures that we put in place at Hawaiian Airlines.